Hello, my name is Anne and welcome to a Tobyknits Flosstube episode 16. Well, you might have noticed I'm not at home. No. I'm actually not in Canada. No. I'm in Vegas. Yes, hubby and I flew down to Las Vegas to meet my dad and my brother who flew from England. And we're spending a week here just having some fun together in the sun. And let me tell you, when we left Ottawa to fly to Toronto to get our flight, as we landed in Toronto, we were on our approach. Everything was going good. Down we came, and suddenly you hear the engines gun it, and up we go again. Apparently we couldn't land because of heavy winds and a snowstorm. Yes, so we had to circle all the way around and come back down. And there is not where this horror story ended. No, because we had an hour wait in Toronto, hour and a half wait, something like that. But by the time we had circled round and landed and got our stuff and got through customs, we didn't really have that long to wait because you have to go through the American customs end too. We didn't have that long to wait to get on the plane, which was good. Except no. We had to wait 2 hours sitting on the plane on the tarmac while they de-iced it. Yes, because the snowstorm was still carrying on. Anyway, finally we got here at an ungodly hour in the morning for us because of course there's a time difference. So yeah, it was a very interesting flight. But anyway, so what did I bring with me? Did I bring any cross stitch? Did I get any cross stitch done last week? Yes, I did. So Monday, I showed you last Monday what I got done. This Monday, just gone, I couldn't do anything because that's the night that we were traveling all through the night. So no baby sampler, but it is my whip go for the next 2 weeks. So I should get some love on that this week. Family tree was my whip go for the past 2 Wednesdays, and that definitely got some love. And I thought I had taken a picture to show you, but apparently I didn't. So you're gonna have to wait till I get home to take a picture of that. Fall on the farm. Yes, I got some fall on the farm done. And here is a picture of what I've got done because obviously I didn't bring all my cross stitch with me. So here is the fall on the farm. And I got all the white of the house done. Well, not all the white, but the majority of the white of the house done. So you can really start to see it popping up beside the tree. I think it looks really nice. I'm quite happy with it. So as you know, Fall on the Farm is a monthly, it goes on for 9 months, a monthly stitch along from Little House Needleworks. And it's not a surprise. We know what it's going to look like. Here's a picture of what it will look like if you're new to this. But each month, starting from January, they released a new chart for that particular month, which you can make as a single item, a small picture or a little cushion or something to decorate a tree with, or you can do it in one big frame, which is what I'm doing. Now, when I first started, I did number 1. I couldn't get 2, 3 came in its place. So then I got 2 and 4 at the same time. So I'm going back to do number 2 first before I start on number 4. So I'm going to be behind in the whole stitch along because April's is the number 4 and I'm never going to get that started, but that's okay. I'm fine with how that's working out. It's still a very enjoyable stitch. And no, I did not bring that one with me. So there'll be no love for that one this week. But lastly, Jungle, which is my Sunday stitch. I did get quite a bit done last week. And here it is. Look how sweet that's turned out. The elephant is all finished other than the back stitch. And the grass has started, and I've come over to this side here because the zebra will be next. Isn't that super cute? I love it. And that is what this is. If you haven't seen me working on this before, it's a kit I got sent to me from England, and it is going to be for my grandson Tristan for in his room. And he has all the wild animals in his room. So that came out really good. So here is my front and there is my back for anybody that really is interested in how the back shows. But it is super cute. And like I said, I did bring with me the other baby sampler, which I will be stitching on tonight if we're not out gambling or seeing a show. Oh, do you know what? I think we're going to a hockey game. So it might not get any love on it, but that's where I am with that one, which is coming out super cute. Almost looks real, like a real picture of a baby. Anyway, so that's coming out lovely, and I'll show you what that one looks like. That's what that one will look like when it's done. So yeah, I don't have a lot to tell you because with travel days and visiting and all that, not a lot done. But we are having a wonderful time. It is so lovely and hot. It's like 30 degrees today. And it's just, it's just lovely out. So it's nice to be out in short sleeve shirts and sandals. Oh, it's kind of like, oh my God, I hope my sandals still fit. I hope they're still in good condition. Oh well, it's all good, it's all good. Anyway, I'll put a couple of pictures up here of some of the shots of where we are, and yeah, I hope to see you next Wednesday for another floss tube, and come back on Friday. There's a special Quilty Fun. Okay, see you then, bye.